Hi guys, and welcome to my tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to get started in Zbrush and how to navigate. So when you open the program, it should look like this, and then we just today double click the sphere to get started. And now you can pretty much just go on and sculpt on it like this. So you make some eyes, eyebrows, and then you can click Alt while drawing, and then it will carve inwards. And then of course you can always, if you think, okay, this is too wobbly, then you can push down the shift key. Okay, shift. And what you can see up here, it's gonna change to smooth. And you have to see the smooth brush as kind of a deleting factor. So it deletes the detail here. Okay, so you can make some new eyes. And if you really like the thing you already made, you can always Control C all the way back. So here you can see the timeline. You can go forth again to bring back everything. And if you're happy with the model, you of course always want to check out its proportions from other views. So to navigate around, you just press the left here and drag your mouse like this. And then you might want to snap it sometimes to a view. So while you're hovering around like this, you can press down Shift and then let go of the mouse click, because otherwise it will just go back where it was before. And now you can also zoom if you want to, in and out. Sometimes it comes in handy. So Control and right click like so. And then you can move your model on the canvas. So the gray space here is the canvas, like this. So Alt and left click like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really recommend that you try to navigate around in this program and try to do some very basic sculpting, because it is a very intimidating software to get started with, and you sometimes end up just losing motivation because you can't even like pan around or look at your model without messing up. So I will definitely recommend you to try this out. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and then see you in the next one.